In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign roles to members in AWeber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so each person on your team has the right level of access, keeping your account organized and secure. Start on your AWeber dashboard and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where your profile area lives, typically shown as your avatar or account name. Click that profile area to open the account menu. This is your gateway to account level settings and team controls, so it's the right place to manage who can do what. From the menu, choose Users. This takes you to the Users page, where you can see the people who have access to your account. Think of this page as your team roster. If you have a lot of members, take a second to scan the list carefully so you're working with the right person. Accuracy matters here because roles determine what someone can see and change inside your account. Next, locate the specific member whose access you want to adjust. When you find them in the list, move your mouse over their row. As you hover on that member, you'll see a pencil icon appear. That pencil is the edit control for that user. Click the pencil icon to open their settings. If you don't immediately see the icon, make sure your cursor is actually over the member's name or row. It usually appears only when you hover directly on it. Inside the member's settings, look for the role option. This is where you select the level of access that best matches their responsibilities. Choose the role that fits their day-to-day tasks. For example, if the person needs to build campaigns but not change billing or account-wide settings, assign a role that focuses on content and sending rather than full administration. If they manage the entire account or oversee multiple team members, a higher access role may be appropriate. When in doubt, follow the principle of least privilege. Give only the access they truly need, and you can always adjust later if their responsibilities change. Before you move on, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct person and the appropriate role. A quick double check now helps prevent confusion later. That's all there is to it. Profile at the bottom left, open Users, find the member, hover and click the pencil, then select the role that fits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep these steps handy so you can maintain a clean, secure user setup as your team grows.